If Trump wins, will the market crash?
So I think that's probably one of the more unsettling outcomes, particularly if the polls stay largely in favor of Clinton heading into the election. So if we have a Brexit type situation where there's complacency or an assumption of a certain outcome and then the opposite outcome occurs. So I think if we were to go into the election thinking, Clinton's up by 10, 15 points, whatever it is, and then we wake up the next morning and find that Trump has won, I think that's the most unsettling outcome. I think the least unsettling outcome for the market is probably a Trump win, but at least one, if not both houses of Congress staying in Republican.
A Trump win?
No, I'm sorry, Clinton win. Clinton win with both houses of Congress staying Republican. So I think that's the least unsettling. I think that is somewhat baked into expectations. I think the assumption is that, the thing is that some of the more troubling or risky things that Trump would like to do, more of those could get done through executive order without an agreement by Congress. But the opposite, the things I think on Clinton's policy platforms, particularly higher taxes, that would be most unsettling to people, would get blocked. Certainly if the House remained Republican. So there's those checks and balances that I think maybe make that the least unsettling outcome.
And so the best outcome for the economy, from what you're saying, is no change, basically. Stay somewhere in the middle.
Yeah, so I think there's really no circumstance under which I think you get a big lift in the economy. And that's not a function of political discourse or anything really, I think, related to the election or policy. I think we're in a post-debt super cycle period, elongated period of subpar growth. And that's going to take time to work itself out. It's just a question of how much damage could be done.